Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel today. So in previous video we are already talking about how we can create a star topology on Cisco packet tracer, right? So on today's video we're going to talk about how, or we are going to simulate on Cisco packet tracer again on how we can create a bus topology on Cisco packet tracer, of course. So before we are opening our Cisco packet tracer, let me explain to you. So basically Cisco packet bus topology is a network where one cable, okay, or one line cable is becoming the backbone. It's becoming the main route for all the client to communicate. So it's something like that. So it's basically we just put a one line cable on the middle and then we put the client on the side, okay, so it looks like a bus, a seat like that, okay. So without further ado, let's move on to the Cisco packet tracer so we can simulate on how to make a bus topology on packet tracer, of course. But before we enter the Cisco packet tracer, let me turn off my Wi-Fi first, okay, because if we don't turn off the Wi-Fi, usually the Cisco will bring us to the login page, and yeah, it's hard to log into the Cisco login page, okay. Okay, now that we are in front of the menu of the Cisco packet tracer, basically we're just doing the same as before, okay. So we just put the client, the PC or the laptop, and then we put the switch on the middle, and then we give the IP configuration for all of the clients, okay. So it's simple, it's not hard, it's not that hard, okay. So as usual, we move on to the left corner, and we should find switch, okay. I'll use switch for today. I'll use beta switch. I'll add four switches, okay, 2 more, okay, that's good. Now what we need is a PC or a laptop, okay, it's okay. For example, I'll use PC only for today, or maybe laptop, okay, it's okay. Boom, that's it. That's how we do it. Okay, now if you wonder, because we have to connect all of the switch first, right, before we connected all the clients to the switch, okay, I'll tell you. So to connect the same devices, we need a crossover cable, okay. So here's the crossover cable, okay, you can see here, copper crossover, it's the name. Just edit here, fast Ethernet 1 to fast Ethernet 1, okay. But if you want it to be simple, if you don't want to do it manually, if you don't want to think about it, just use the Zeus lightning over here, okay, and boom, you don't need to think about it, okay. Let's connect all of the switch. It's manually, just use the Zeus lightning. And if it is the different devices, different type of devices, you should use straight through cable, okay. It's over here, but I'm going to use the Zeus lightning, okay. Okay, now what are we going to do is just wait for all of them to be connected, because it is still an orange, which that means it isn't connected perfectly. So let's just wait for a moment while I tidy this up. Okay, all of them are almost connected, okay. All of them has a green pointer, nice. After all of them get a green pointer like this, what we need to do is just give all of the clients a IP address. So we have to configure each IP for all the clients, okay. So let's start with PC0. Open this PC0, click one time, and then we enter the desktop IP configuration and enter it. Same as yesterday, we should put the same network, okay? 192.168.10 and 1, for example. It's the same as before, just to make it simple, and the subnet max will automatically fill, okay? 192.168.10 and 1, okay, that's good. And then we try, oh wait, before we enter the IP configuration, you might wonder if we can communicate after all of them are green like this. Now let's check it out. Is it going to connect? We are going to try communicate from PC 0 to laptop 1. See, laptop 1 has no functional ports because we haven't entered or we haven't filled any IP on this laptop. So now let's move on to for entering the rest of IP address for all of the devices. Okay, we are going to enter this. This is 192.168, yes, 10 and 2, and the subnet max will automatically fill as before, as the same as before. And we enter the laptop, okay, laptop port, and we enter desktop IP configuration 192.168.10 and 3, and the subnet max will be automatically filled. The same, and what, and this one, laptop 1, okay, 192.168.10 and 4. Okay, now everyone, let's check it out if all of the devices are connected or not. Okay, let's try to send a message from PC 0 to laptop 1, and voila, here is it. You can see it is successful, right? And let's try communicate from PC 1 to laptop 0. It is successful again. Let's try from here to here. Successful again, okay? So this is very simple, everyone. This is what we call a bus topology, okay? So usually we use this kind of topology in the school or in the office like that. Now if you might wonder if we can add more here over here, of course we can add more over here. Just find another switch, okay, we put it over here. What is it? Oh, okay, switch, and then we find some new devices, we put it over here, or we can put it over here too. It's the same. Okay, I'll give you an example. I'll give 2 over here, and I'll connect it with the cable, the Zeus Lightning. Okay, now you can see they are all connected, but we can't send a message from laptop 1 to this PC. See, because the new PC haven't got any IP address, but we can of course send a message from laptop 0 to laptop 1 because it is successful. So what we are going to do is just give the new PC a new IP address, okay? Before it is 192.168.10 and 5. Oh, this is invalid. That's it. Okay, and then over here we add on this one too, 192.168.10 and 6. Okay, let's try to send message. Boom, and it is successful. Okay, so that's it, everyone. That's how we create a topology, a bus topology. So it's very simple. You just do it on Cisco packet tracer if you don't have the hardware. So maybe that's all for today. Thank you for watching.